Welcome, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Before I get into today's video, I would just like to take the time out to tell you guys thanks a lot for the support. I really appreciate and love all you guys. So let's get into it. So here I have some Oreo cookie. I removed the cream because I wanted to do it a little bit different. It's my second time making this and I wanted to do it a little bit different, so I removed the cream, which we'll be using them later on. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put the Oreos in my food processor, and these Oreos is for the base of my cheesecake. I'm just gonna drop them on in there. Ingredients will be down in the description as usual. So now I'm going to pour melted butter in my Oreo and we're going to mix that in. Make sure I get everything out of the bowl. We're going to mix this in. So now I'm going to take the mixture, pour it out in the pan. And for this, you need a springform pan. It's much easier with a pan, springform pan. And then we're going to just spread that out, so you get a nice flat crust. You just spread that out until it becomes smooth. We're also going to put this in the refrigerator to just chill. See guys, this is how it should look. So in this bowl I've added my room temperature cream cheese and I'm just going to mix it out. And to this I'll be adding my sugar. Now I'm going to add in my cool heavy whipping cream. So this is how you want it to look, stiff peaks. See that? Exactly like that. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla and some rum. We're going to mix that together. Guys, this shot, as would I say in a Jamaican, it's shot, meaning it tastes good. So what I'm going to do is have some partially crushed up Oreos here. I'm just going to put a little in and I'm just going to stir that in. So here my Oreo crust has been chilled and I'm going to scoop out half of the cheesecake batter in there. And I'm going to spread it out. And because this cheesecake doesn't have any gelatin or anything in it, I'm going to have to let this sit overnight. So I'm just going to take my leftover Oreo and I'm going to just spread them on the top like this. And then I'm going to take the rest of the cheesecake batter spread it on top. And now I'm just going to spread the rest of that. Guys, it tastes amazing, and I'm not just saying that, it really tastes amazing, especially with the rum. It takes the Oreo cheesecake to another level. So now we're just going to pick up our pan and tap it like that. So I'm going to make a chocolate ganache, and I'm going to pour 4 ounces of heavy whipping cream in my pot. I do not want it to boil, but to heat up a bit. So I've already poured the ganache on the top of my cheesecake. We're just going to spread it out like this. So there you have it, guys, my Oreo no-bake cheesecake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!